So, you made mashed potatoes, but they turned out too runny, and you don't have any more potatoes or instant mashed potato flakes to add for thickening? No problem. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 incredibly simple ways to thicken up your mashed potatoes. Method 1. Pour the watery mashed potatoes into a colander. Just let your mashed potatoes sit in the colander for a bit to drain off all that extra liquid. Then return the potatoes to the cooking pot. Cook over low heat, stirring the potatoes continuously to avoid sticking. Cook until the mashed potatoes become thick and creamy. Here is before, and here is after. Method 2. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of cold water to create a lump-free slurry. Then pour the runny mashed potatoes into a pot. Pour the slurry into the pot of mashed potatoes. Keep stirring the mashed potatoes over low heat for a few minutes and watch them thicken up nicely. Here is before, and here is after. Method 3. In a separate bowl, mix about a half a cup of cold water with 1 to 3 tablespoons of flour to form a slurry. Stir the mixture until it is free of lumps. Pour the watery mashed potatoes into a pot. Gradually pour the flour slurry into the mashed potatoes while continuously stirring over low heat until the potatoes thicken to the desired consistency. Taste and add a pinch of salt because flour can dilute the flavor. If you are struggling with getting your mashed potatoes just right, check out my easy recipe here, how to make creamy mashed potatoes. I will show you one simple ingredient that will transform your potatoes into a rich, creamy, buttery, and fluffy delight. Check it out now.